everybody could say, well, you're going to hear on the news, it's because of Russia. Well, I was talking about Tesla as the biggest implosion market, that we've possibly seen since the tulip bulbs, all the way back here at $1,200. So welcome, everybody. Welcome to this session of the Boiler Room. What's left to say, right? Jonathan's been berating me for weeks as to why am I always looking to short or sell this market? Well, I look to just surrender to the will of the market, and all signs have been pointing lower. So if you're part of this is not a sales pitch, if you're part of the elite program, these are the trades that have been going out over the last couple of weeks. And to my mind, the core holdings, ARK includes all of the crap, all of these, hyper growth stocks, this Cathie Wood fund, Coinbase is a proxy on the NASDAQ, and cryptos, which to my mind are looking like they're going to get smashed. Tesla to me is the biggest bubble market we've probably ever seen since the tulip bulbs in Holland in the 1400s. And, then these cybersecurity stocks. So, Russia has been hacking and cyber hacking, and you'd think that counterintuitively, these stocks should be, doing very well. And then lastly, this IGV, to my mind, this IGV ETF has been, tipping the hand. I started looking at the IGF at 390. Right now, we're going to hit about 300. So we've, plummeted 25% in about a month since I said that, we should focus in looking at that. So collectively, you would be, I try and equate everything in pips just to reconcile FX and what have you. There are no pips in stock trades, but effectively you'd be holding gains like $195 worth of stock in gains. So it's like if you bought a $50 stock and you were up $195. And this is going to go ballistic because, Tesla is not 764 anymore. In fact, it went under 700 this morning. Okta's $10 lower, Coin is $12 lower. And, the whole thing is just going to hell in a handbasket. And everybody could say, well, you're going to hear on the news, it's because of Russia. Well, I was talking about Tesla as the biggest implosion market, that we've possibly seen since the tulip bulbs, all the way back here at $1,200. So there's always something that comes out of the sky, some outlier that pushes the thing. So this is, to me, the validation, the vindication, the affirmation, whatever hyperbole you want to use, of technical trading. Because, up here, we never understand the reasons. If you looked at Tesla here, I saw a whole bunch of analysts, they're paid millions of dollars, predict that this is going to $1,500. Cathie Woods of the ARK Fund said Tesla's going to $3,000 a share. And I said here, this is going to $300. And if you told me this was going to be a $50 stock, I wouldn't say, you should go to loony bin. I think this is going to be one of the biggest implosions we've ever seen. And this will go down in history as one of those biggest hype things. People get caught up in the charisma of the founder and what have you. But to me, this is the vindication of technical trading, because up here, we never know the reasons why it's going to be down here. But the market is a discounting mechanism. The market is ahead of, the thing. So we can never read the newspaper or a balance sheet or see a change in fortune at the top. But the market starts telling you, through these seismic reversals. I look at a combination of both pattern and price action. So right there, you made a new high and close on the low. Made a new high, close on the low. And right there, those two guys are pointing where this thing is going to go. And then it just takes its sweet time in getting there. It does all the chucking and jiving where it goes down to 850 and back to 1,000 and, tries to shake the leaves and, on and on. But this is why, price is ahead of the news. We never know. Russia, was not, in any way, shape, or form on the radar at that point. And now it'll all be blamed on Russia, but it's, you know, it was baked in the cake right up there.
You can see, yeah, 45, it's 1.3 million.
$1.3 million short.
So popped out a profit for 118,000 there.
So you can see how this is going crazy now. You can see how the market just going nuts.
I bet like $1.6 million on this position. I'm showing right now $23,000 gain.